Join Stella Academy, Goa's best coaching for IIT, JEE and medical exam preparation. Register today for Stellar Talent Search exam. Admissions are open for repeaters medical batch for NEET 2021.
I would like to wish him all the best and also the whole panel. He's got an excellent deputy mayor also with him. I know he's been talking about him and said that he's very good. So I think both of them together and also with the help of the panel, help of ex-mayor Uday Matkar, ex-mayor Suren Patar, I think they should do really well.
So anyway, the panel is a mix of both, of youth and experience also. So in the sense that I am experienced, we have a very solid team. And everything, all the decisions that we make, the both of us also will be taken in consensus with the rest of the panel also. So we have to capitalize on the experience that we have in our side. And I have my mother and my father both as minister and as an MLA. So I plan on using their experience also. See, the priority also now in a sense is fulfilling my dad's manifesto. That is one. But in addition to that, also the daily work that we have to do and whatever ideas that our panel that puts forward, we'll be trying to fulfill all of that also.